Ever felt like no matter how hard you try, the belly fat just won't budge? I've been there. I survived the endless crunches. I spent hours trying every workout under the sun, and I saved my sanity by finally discovering what truly works. When I focused on the right exercises, I built not only a stronger core but also the confidence that I could actually see results. And guess what? I got the flatter belly I'd been chasing for years. My routine started with a shift in mindset. Instead of sticking to the same old exercises that everyone swears by, I decided to shake things up. I began each day with a series of targeted exercises designed to engage my entire core planks, Russian twists, mountain climbers, and more. These moves weren't just about repetition. They were about activating the right muscles and maintaining form. Sure, it wasn't easy. There were days I faced the challenge of pushing through the burn, and sometimes my motivation dipped. But each time I felt like giving up, I reminded myself of the goals I set. And after just a few weeks, the changes were noticeable. Not only did my belly start to tighten, but my energy levels skyrocketed and my mental focus sharpened. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Tracking my progress became essential. Every week, I take note of my improvements, no matter how small. Seeing those little wins kept me going, and the best part, this journey wasn't just about losing belly fat. It was about building a lifestyle that supported my overall health. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. So, if you're ready to start your transformation, consistency is key. Stick to these exercises daily, track your progress, and don't be afraid to tweak your routine as you go. And don't forget to celebrate every milestone along the way. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Remember, it's not just about working out, it's about working smart. Swap out those popular exercises that aren't delivering results and focus on what truly works. You've got this.